Thanks for joining another CADimensions Tech Tip. My name is Brian, and today we're going to cover part 2 of modifying imported geometry through surfacing techniques. If you haven't seen part 1, we'll put a link to it in the description below, and I recommend you check that out. Part 1 consisted of manual method of surface rebuild, face-by-face manipulation of imported geometry. And here in part 2, we're going to take a look at some other features that are a more automated version of that, which allows you to essentially do the steps from step 1 with just one feature. In this first example, I'm going to show how we can use the extrude surface command to accomplish the entire modification of this part. So we'll go ahead and kick off the extrude surface command. Notice that we don't have to make any sketches to get this to work the way that we want it to. If we read the property manager of the command, we can see that it actually gives us a hint on how to use this tool. And if we take a look over here, it says press Alt and select on a planar face. And what that allows us to do is select the face, and that will grab all of the edges of that face and start extending out the surface. We can then insert the dimension for the height of our new surface. And additionally, in the property manager for surface extrude, notice we have a checkbox for cap end. And that will take our new extruded surface walls and put a planar surface on top of those, essentially capping it in. Also, under the options section, there's the option to delete the original face. By deleting the original face, it's going to turn the original imported geometry into a surface body, and then by checking that, the option for knitting results becomes available. And by checking this box for knit results, it allows us to take all these new surfaces that we're creating with this one step and bring them all together. And in this case, since the extrusion is going to form an enclosed surface body, it will automatically turn all of these surfaces into a solid body. This next technique is going to use a feature called Move Face. Now, Move Face doesn't get a button on the surfacing command manager, so don't forget, in the top right you can search for other commands. So we're going to search for Move Face. In the Move Face property manager, this gives us the option to offset, translate, or rotate an existing face of our model. So in this case, we need to take the top face of this part and offset it by the 20 millimeter. Inserting the offset distance that we want, we can go ahead and accept the command, and the feature will move the face we selected and automatically extend all adjacent faces to complete the solid body. That's all for this one. Thanks again for joining us. Remember to check back in the future for more tech content.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.